In this video I'm going to show you the two ways that you can change colour of things in Logic. First thing, option C, click on the region you want to change the colour and then pick a new one. That's the most basic way. If you want it so it automatically does this, same with markers, and then we can click on it and change colour. But if we want Logic to do this automatically for us, we can do that by going to Logic Pro, Preferences, Display, and then going to the tracks, and we can say auto assign track color, set our region so it matches our track color, and the same thing with our markers. Now when I add a new marker, it automatically has a new color, and similarly when I add a new track, it will have a brand new color to help differentiate it. I hope that helps.